Namaste. Hi everyone. I hope you're all enjoying the festivities as much as you can given the circumstances and are gearing up for Diwali that's coming up. In the recent preview of Genda that I showed you yesterday, I told you that we're launching some of our Banarsi border and Pallu, Ajrak Modal silk and Chanderi silk saris, and I really do hope you loved the preview. I thought I'll do a quick video of what our motivation was in order to name it Genda and what our motivation was in order to get a collection like this going. So we've all heard it from our relatives, from our people, from people around, from our neighborhood, the fact that natural dyes are not festive. And of course, they're more dull looking, more sober as compared to a lot of other chemical and brighter colors. But we wanted to prove that wrong with this collection. So we wanted to show you that even natural dyes, even block prints like Ajrak can be used for festivities. They can be grand, they can be loud, they can be elegantly loud, of course, and not gaudy loud. So we decided we do some modal saris. Modal saris usually do not come with borders, and there are those lagdi patta saris which come with a zari border. Previously, this year and last year, we launched some of our Banarsi Pallu saris where we gave more intricate zari pallus to the modal saris, but so far we've never done zari borders along with the zari pallus. So we thought that would give it a more grand and more Diwali-esque feeling to the sari. So we thought that would be our collection. Now we named it Genda because for us, Genda signifies Diwali. Genda signifies all sorts of celebrations that are going around. Desi Genda, which has the most beautiful smell, even for me, it's even more beautiful than roses themselves. So that was the essence of our collection. Our collection was meant to be Desi. It was meant to be local. It was meant to be fragrant in the sense that it was supposed to represent what India represents on its own, the heritage, the culture and everything. So we brought you these saris. I'll do a quick preview and then we'll do more videos later. So one key feature of these saris is the border. This is the zari border that goes around on each side, on both of the sides of the sari. The second is the zari pallu. You'll have motifs like paisleys and the floral motifs which are quite key to our festival collections. So this is the grand zari pallu. You'll also have the ajrak pallu which has been done with different kinds of geometrical blocks, and the entire body has only been done with geometrical blocks. So one feature of this entire collection was we wanted these saris to be something that you can pass on to your future generation. We wanted these saris to be something that could represent Ajrak even in 100 years to come. So the kind of blocks that we chose were not influenced by the modern times or anything modern, and these were the traditional Ajrak blocks that have been going on for years and years. So all the saris that you'll see will have geometrical influences in them. There'll be traditional jal kind of blocks which have only geometry and no florals. Whether it's in the pallu, whether it's in the body, this will be the same. Now these saris come with a Banarsi blouse, so it's a very grand kind of overall looking outfit, and we really do hope you love them. Thank you.